guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the Creative Fabrica. And what is the Creative Fabrica? If you guys don't know about the Creative Fabrica, what is the Creative Fabrica and how you can open up a shop on Creative Fabrica and sell your own designs, your own graphics on the Creative Fabrica. So we're just gonna talk about the Creative Fabrica in this video. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching this video and don't forget to hit the like button, guys. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started. Now guys, I have made a bunch of videos talking about the Creative Fabrica and I see that people are actually enjoying those videos and people have the few of the comments how to open up a shop on the Creative Fabrica, how to sell on them, do you actually make money on the platform, what is the reality about that new platform, and various details regarding it. So I'm going to talk about the Creative Fabrica and how to open up a shop and what you can sell on their platform and what you can expect from that shell. What is Creative Fabrica? The Creative Fabrica is almost like a creative market when you can sell your designs, your graphics, especially catering to the handmade crafts and fonts where people sell their machine embroidery, hand-made embroidery designs in the form of the digital downloads. The complete platform is the form of the digital downloads. There are many things that you can sell. You can sell your own print-on-demand designs that you're already making. If you are making KDP low and no content book KDP interiors, then you can also sell them on these platforms. You can sell the fonts, you can sell the textures, you can sell the printables, like you can sell anything that is in the form of digital download that you can sell on the creative market. So it's kind of like related to the, kind of like similar to the creative market, but it's different in various aspects. It started back in 2016 in the Amsterdam. So it's the fastest growing startup right now, and it's a new emerging platform. Like you can go and see that every day there are new people coming onto the platform and the traffic is increasing each month. Almost like 5,000 plus designers on the platform, and there are the new visitors coming on the platform. So it's an amazing opportunity to sell your digital work, sell your work and designs in the form of digital download, and it's completely a sort of passive income. You just need to upload your artwork, your designs, your graphics on this platform, and when somebody actually purchases it, you're gonna make a money. Three methods in which you can receive payment by the Creative Fabrica. One is the PayPal, another is the Payoneer, and the third one is the bank transfer. Now the bank transfer can only be requested when the amount is $100, that is above $100. There is also $20 handling fee which will be deducted from the wallet, and we will try our best to make the payment within 7 days. So these are the three ways in which you can get paid by the Creative Fabrica. You can just put your PayPal email address, your Payoneer or bank transfer if you want it in that way. So these are the three methods. Apart from that, there is one big difference between the creative market and the Creative Fabrica. On the creative market, there is no subscription platform. You pay for a single product. Here there is a subscription platform. People come on the platform to pay for subscription. If they want the single purchase, then they can also go for it. But there is kind of like a subscription based platform where people pay per each month, and then they get digital download, like unlimited digital download that are there on the platform for each month subscription. So that is an amazing opportunity for the sellers and for the buyers as well. For the buyers, they are getting so many things at just few bucks a month. They are getting so many graphics, so many things from their platform at few bucks a month, and they don't need to pay for each individual product. Then for the sellers, it's amazing because even if you are uploading your artwork, your designs on this platform, you're gonna get paid even if your designs are not selling, which is really amazing because of their business model. If you are uploading your artwork, your designs, your graphics on the platform, you're gonna get paid even if your artwork or designs are not selling. So nobody is giving you money for uploading your work on their platform. So this is one of the platforms which is giving you money just for uploading your work, which is going to talk about how to open up a shop on the Creative Fabrica. Now on the Creative Fabrica, the barriers of entry is high. You can't open up a shop on the day one itself. You need to submit a request. You need to submit an application for getting the approval for opening up a shop on the Creative Fabrica. Well, you just need to apply for your portfolio. They're gonna ask your name, your designer name, and then they're gonna ask you why you want to open up your shop on their marketplace, what's the reason behind it. Apart from that, they're gonna ask your designer portfolio, the designs that you're actually selling. You can submit your Gumroad portfolio if you are selling on the Gumroad. You can also sell your Redbubble, submit your Redbubble profile to your Etsy profile, your Creative Market profile. Like you can submit any of the online portfolio or shop where you're selling currently, where they can see your design designs, and they just want to ensure that you're selling or you're creating 100% authentic designs, and they're gonna see that your designs or your work is actually matching with their platform. So that's why they are asking you to submit your portfolio, your shop. So you can submit your shop or your portfolio. Either you can create your own portfolio onto the Behance, onto the Dribble, or even if you have an Instagram profile related to your work, you can submit that link of. Once they're going to review you, usually they take almost like a week to review your application, but it may vary depending on the situation. So once they verify you as a seller on the platform, then they're gonna email you sending you that they have accepted you, and now you can open up a shop on their marketplace. So you can go and you can open up a shop on their marketplace and can start making and selling your design. It's quite easy to make and upload. I've already made a video talking about how to upload on Creative Fabrica. You can check in the card section above, guys. And also I'm linking the complete playlist talking about the Creative Fabrica, how much I made in my first month, and my 150 sales and various videos regarding it. You can check that in the card section above, guys. Let's share you some ninja hacks or ninja hints that can help you in getting a quick approval onto the Creative Fabrica. One, if you are creating your portfolio, your designer portfolio right now, just for the sake of the Creative Fabrica approval, go onto the Creative Fabrica, look for the designers, what are they selling on their platform, so that you'll be able to know that this kind of work is selling on their platform, so that you are going to incorporate that kind of work on your portfolio as well, because they see that if your work is matching with their platform, then they're gonna approve you. So that's the number one hint. The second hint, guys, of always create a portfolio around your original work, which is 100% authentic. Don't copy from anyone, don't steal anyone's work, because they want to see that you are legitimate designer or crafter or an artist or a entrepreneur who creating their work 100% authentic way, 100% legitimate. So that's why they want to see that. So create a portfolio which is 100% legitimate. The third tip I have for you guys, if you're selling onto any shop, like if you're selling onto the Redbubble, you're selling onto the Etsy or Creative Market, submit your portfolio link of that shop, because if they see that your designs are matching with their platform and your designs are selling currently on the shop on which you have submitted the link, like for example, if you are selling onto the Etsy, your designs are selling on the Etsy, and you know that on the Etsy you can see how many favorites you have got, how many sales you make for your shop. So when they see that your designs is matching with their platform and also your designs are selling on the Etsy, then it would be more likely for you to get approved on the Creative Fabrica. Likewise, the same case of the Redbubble. On the Redbubble also, they're gonna see your favorites, how many people are following you on the Redbubble, and how many designs you have uploaded, your bio, what is your artist bio, what is this all about, what is your design. So if they see that it is 100% legitimate person, you are having more favorites, you're getting more sales, more followers on that platform, and they see that your designs are matching with the platform, then it is more likely for you to be getting approval onto the Creative Fabrica. If you're just making your profile onto the Gumroad, make sure you use your own profile picture image on the Gumroad so that they can see that you are 100% legitimate. Please update your artist bio on the Gumroad. Write it down what you are making and what people can expect from you, and also don't forget to mention your email address. The most important thing, don't forget to mention your email address in your shop portfolio or in your bio, so that they can verify you that it is the same person who have used the same email address for the request of opening up a shop on their platform and are having the same email address on that shop as well. So try to use the same email address only. If you have used the first email address, the one email address for the Creative Fabrica shop request, then use that same email address and put that email address on your portfolio as well. Don't forget to do that, guys, which is really important, because when I was applying for the Creative Fabrica approval, I was getting that message, I was getting that email from the Creative Fabrica. They told me to mention my email, to put my email address in my shop portfolio so that they can verify me, it's me only. So it's really important you do that in the beginning only, before you actually get an email from the Creative Fabrica. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you thinking of opening up your shop on the Creative Fabrica? Are you selling on the Creative Fabrica? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any more queries, any more questions regarding the Creative Fabrica, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.